Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Funny Pot Holders is probably one of the most underrated kitchen gadgets, but trust me, they deserve a spot in every home. Today, we're diving into a collection of pot holders that are not only functional but also bring a whole lot of personality to your kitchen. Get ready to say goodbye to boring, plain pot holders and hello to some seriously hilarious and heat-resistant companions for your cooking adventures. Let's find the perfect one for you. Number 5. OTOTO Red the Crab Silicone Utensil Rest. Introducing Red, the Crab, from OTOTO Studio. This silicone spoon rest is ready to lend a helping claw. It takes the hassle out of your cooking, making your kitchen experience much easier. Looking for a unique gift? Red is perfect for home cooks and grill masters. This quirky holder is a great present for anyone who loves to cook, making it a fun and practical addition to any kitchen. This spoon holder is BPA-free and made of food-grade silicone. It's designed to withstand rust and chipping, making it a staple for a tidy cooking space. You can easily clean it by hand or in the dishwasher. A pot of boiling liquid is no match for this durable utensil holder. Watch as its legs grip the lids while you cook. It ensures happy cooking without any rocking or fading. OTOTO creates adorable gadgets to make chores less boring. We add a bit of fun and magic to our products, and we hope you feel the same way too. Enjoy the convenience and joy this product brings to your kitchen. What we like? This adorable crab is more than just a cute face, it's a kitchen workhorse. It can hold your utensils and act as a steam releaser. If you're looking to add some fun to your cooking routine and keep your counters clean, you should definitely consider this one. What people say. Grips pots and utensils well. Material is solid and heavy-duty, so perfect for kitchen. Great little spoon rest. Fits on the pot, looks cute, works as advertised. Number 4. OTOTO Hot Dog Double Oven Mitts. Introducing the OTOTO Hot Dog Double Oven Mitts, the perfect blend of cuteness and functionality. These heat-resistant mitts are ideal for dog lovers, keeping your hands safe up to 250 degrees Celsius. Cleaning is a breeze. Just toss it in the washing machine. It also has a loop for quick drying or easy hanging. These mitts are a must-have for any dog lover's kitchen. These canine-designed oven mitts are the perfect gift for dog enthusiasts. They fold and store easily, making them a great addition to any kitchen. Make your kitchen fun with these funny yet functional oven mitts. They are perfect for bakers and double as fun kitchen gadgets. It's the top dog of kitchen oven mitts. Featured on Netflix, BuzzFeed, and the New York Times, OTOTO's gadgets make chores fun. Ready for a spin in your routine? With these nifty tools, every task becomes a fun scene. What we like? These oven mitts are perfect for dog lovers who want to add some personality to their kitchen. They're heat-resistant and easy to clean. If you are a dog enthusiast who loves to bake or grill, you should definitely get this one. What people say. Exactly as pictured and wide enough for anything I could ever be trying to get out of the oven. They seem pretty durable. Think enough to be as functional as needed. Cute, functional, and well made. Protects your hands while providing some fun while baking and cooking. Great pot holder for any dachshund lover. It isn't excessively thick, but still provides a reasonable amount of protection from hot plates, not just hot dogs. LOL. Definitely the stylish option. Number 3. Blue Q I'll Feed All UF *Airs Oven Mitts. This oven mitt is crafted from 100% cotton with extra insulation to protect your hands from the heat. The bold, vibrant design on both sides brings humor and personality to your kitchen. Measuring 12.5 by 7.5 inches, it provides generous coverage and a comfortable fit for most hands. It's designed to handle utensils with ease, keeping your fingers burn-free while offering optimal protection and flexibility. This quilted oven mitt is machine washable with light colors and no bleach needed. Toss it in the wash and tumble dry for easy maintenance. Keep it fresh and vibrant with minimal effort. The product development team collaborates with artists worldwide, adding friendly pins to our map. Designers, painters, and illustrators help bring fresh, fun, and diverse creativity to every cute oven mitt. These oven mitts are the ideal kitchen gift for various occasions. They combine style, function, and personality in one. With every purchase, Blue Q donates 1% of sales to hunger relief programs. It's a way of giving back and making a meaningful impact, so you can feel good while doing good with every use. What we like. This oven mitt brings humor and personality to your kitchen. It's made from 100% cotton and is easy to care for. If you like a touch of sass and want a practical kitchen accessory, you should consider this one. What people say. This pot holder is nice and thick, protects your hand from heat and will make you smile with each use. Good quality, arrived quickly and was a great laugh. Great and quirky and very well made. Number 2. Funny hot shit oven pad. This oven pad is perfect for any baker. It's designed to protect your hands from heat when removing pans or handling hot pots. It's also a great gag gift. Made with high-quality, heat-resistant materials, it can withstand temperatures up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. The thick cotton provides maximum flexibility and heat protection, keeping your hands safe. The 8.5 by 6.8 inch size protects your hands and wrists. It features a soft, comfortable terry cloth insulated pocket. Plus, it has a handy hanging loop for easy storage. The pot holder is well sewn, so the interior cotton won't come out after washing. The cloth is also designed not to deform easily, ensuring it lasts. With its funny quote, it's a great gift for any occasion. Give it to friends, family, or that special someone to show you care. It's perfect for Christmas, birthdays, and more. What we like. This pot holder offers excellent heat protection with a fun, humorous quote. It's designed with a convenient pocket. If you are looking for a gift that combines practicality with a good laugh, you should definitely consider this one. What people say. It works great and usually gets a giggle from people. It came fairly quickly, was exactly as described, and pretty good quality. These are good quality and add a little sassiness to the kitchen. Number 1. Funny baking oven pads pot holder. Are you tired of burning your hands while cooking? These high-quality, heat-resistant pads will keep you safe. They are perfect for removing pans from the oven or handling hot pots. This pot holder is designed for maximum protection and flexibility. It measures 8.5 inches long and 6.8 inches wide, with a thick cotton exterior and a soft, comfortable terry cloth pocket. This combination ensures both safety and comfort. This pot holder can withstand temperatures up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. You can confidently use it knowing your hands are well protected. The cloth is also designed to resist deformation, ensuring it lasts. The pot holder features a convenient hanging loop for easy storage. The interior cotton is securely sewn, so it won't come out after washing. This design ensures both practicality and durability. Looking for a fun and practical gift? This pot holder is perfect for any occasion. With its funny quote, it's a great gift for friends and family, reminding them how much you care. What we like. This pot holder offers excellent heat protection with a fun, humorous quote. It's designed with a convenient pocket. If you are looking for a gift that combines practicality with a good laugh, you should definitely consider this one. What people say. The pot holders are heat resistant and protect hands well. The design is cute and funny. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.